Hey, welcome back there YouTube people. I'm going to give you a DIY for your power supply units at home. The best way to fucking take these bastards apart in the most simplest way. The tools you'll need, first of all, won't worry about the tools. We'll get in a bit of the fucking safety. Have you got your specs on, right? You need some safety specs. You also need some Japanese safety boots. Chinese, Korean, whatever. Definitely got to be them. First, fucking screwdriver. Always take the screws apart here. Back of the fan off, yeah. Screws out, don't worry about that. Get your fucking old pliers. Just take it apart. Start snipping shit, pulling at stuff. Fucking there you go. Right. Best way, easiest fucking way. You can do this every day of the week. You know, people think they're thinking, well, why am I doing that? Because this is the easiest way. If you want to take it apart, right? Undone the screw, taking a few little leads off. What we do, place it on the ground over here, and you get one of these fucking things, £8 sledgehammer, right? Because this thing fucked my computer. So basically you want to take it apart as quick as possible with less grief and get as much satisfaction out as you can. So I know this might turn out this way. Well, first hit, probably miss this, you've got to watch your toes. There we go, there's the one hit first. Fucking hell. It's all busted, shit's blowing up. Just keep mowing it. Well, ground. That's why you wear eye protection, people. Fucking telling them. You don't fucking like the shit. And after you've done all that, put it back in the box that it came from. Make sure you got invoiced and closed. You're going to send him the fucking bill. In this case it's Jerry Harvey. Yeah. Get all the pieces up. Out in the box. Nice and neatly packed for them. Put a fragile sticker on there so when they say when he's fucking got it right, they say, I didn't do it, it was all nicely packed. Put a bit of wrapping in there and shit. And yeah, they'll still fucking have to pay for it. Close him up. And send him away. Fucking capacitor. Bits of shit. Anyhow people, this is Legsy coming at you. Just remember to like, subscribe, and take a sledgehammer to your power supply.